Hey fashionistas, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making some beautiful jewelry using chip beads from Bead and crush aquarium glass, and we're putting them all together with Famowood glaze coat resin. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some jewelry. The earliest finding of jewelry was dated around 25,000 years ago, and it was a necklace made of fish bones, and it was found in a cave in Monaco. Diamonds were not popular until people learned how to cut them to show their brilliance, which began in Europe sometime around 1300. Chains date back to at least 2500 BC when ancient Egyptians started threading gold and silver together. I'm curious to know what your favorite jewelry piece is to wear and why. Leave a note for me in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you. I'm going to leave a link to Bead and Famowood glaze coat resin in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I will see you next week. Bye.